I'm actually using the auto flash, so I will start with 2000 flashes with nitrogen, and then I will flip over the object and I start a second cure with 2000 flashes again, but without nitrogen. Nitrogen is a plus to remove this shining effect and actually make it matte and dry. Before placing the object in the curing unit, make sure to use the right settings, as each curing unit validated with Saramco Print CrownTech has different time settings and parameters. To highlight what Sven explained in the previous video, we have validated several curing units. Some of them do not cover the full wavelengths in order to activate the initiator system in the material, which create this yellowish effect after curing. It is very important to keep in mind that settings on curing units are a balance between physical properties and color. That is why I have prepared another video giving you some tips and additional further steps.